Hi, I'm Sherry Ann Wilma Carter. I'm in the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program at Northwest Florida State College. So here's my presentation on nursing volunteer opportunities. So here in Pensacola, there are many nursing opportunities for volunteer. So I kind of did some research and went through and picked the one that I thought was suitable. So this volunteer opportunity is with Health and Hope Clinics. The Health and Hope Clinic was established in June of 2003 by the Pensacola Bay Baptist Association. Since 2003, the clinic has provided over 15 million in healthcare services and 18,000 patient-provided visits. I think that's a pretty good thing for them to have done for uninsured people in this area. So the goals and beliefs of the Health and Hope Clinic is that they aim to provide accessible and equitable primary and preventable care to those in need. This organization depends on generosity of her contributors and volunteers. The mission of the clinic is to provide health and hope to the hurting. AmeriCares is one of the nonprofit organizations. It's a disaster relief and humanitarian aid that provides emergency response in the form of medical services. This is one of the organizations that partners with Health and Hope Clinic in the services that they provide. Any healthcare provider can volunteer with Health and Hope Clinics. You have nurses, dentists, doctors, nurse practitioners, phlebotomists, pharmacists, medical records keepers, general office workers, just to name a few. You also do have spiritual encouragers and social workers. And I do think in this case, because this organization aims to support people who are uninsured, social workers is a very important aspect of this organization because they will help to find and supply resources to people, whether it's for medications, whether it's for referral services for other medical needs, but they will provide and help to source different things that these individuals may need. So that's a really good thing for them to do. So apart from the fact that this organization helps uninsured people, the volunteers also benefit from having to volunteer with the organization. Volunteer and medical providers receive sovereign immunity, and this means that they are legally protected. They cannot be sued for volunteering services, and sovereign immunity is a form of the Good Samaritan Act, where if you are offering free health pretty much, or free care to anyone, you are protected from being sued in this case. Volunteers also receive license renewal fees waived, and they also get 25% of the state required continuing medical education credit hours waived. And of course, as with any job that you are paid for, or with volunteer jobs, comes responsibilities. All providers who practice within the organization will practice first and foremost within their scope of practice. That is particular to the licensing board, which this organization is in Florida, so all providers will practice within their scope per the Florida licensing board. They will treat each patient with respect and compassion, and all providers and volunteers will remain professional at all times. So because this organization is a nonprofit organization, they do require money to function. The way people do this is by donating. So you can use PayPal to donate, where you can pay however much amount of money you want to pay into it. You can go ahead and do that. With the subscribe option, you would just go onto their website, and it's www.healthandhopeclinics.org. You would get onto their website, hit the subscribe button, and that allows you to pay a $20 fee on a monthly basis. So there are two locations of the Health and Hope Clinic in Pensacola. There's one off Olive Road, and the address is on the screen, and the other one is downtown Pensacola. And here are my references. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Hope you did learn something from this presentation. Have a good night.